Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion for website phone calls or how we can set up calls from website conversion. Okay, so for example, if someone comes to your website and make a phone call from your website, then how you can actually track them. So if I am talking about for this website, you can see there is a phone number available here. So if I'm running Google Ads for this website, and if someone comes to our website and click on this number and make a phone call, then how we can easily track them and make one of our Google Ads conversions. Okay, so that's I'm gonna be showing you in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I need to set up a tag manager account for this website. So you can see over here, I have already created a tag manager account for this website and set up the necessary conversions other than Google Ads calls from website conversions, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily do that. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, this is our Google Ads account. Then I'm going to be going to the goals section. Then I will click on conversions and summary. Then I'll scroll down a little bit and I'm going to click on create conversion action. So it is checking your available information. So you can see over here, this is for the new interface. Okay, what conversions do you want to measure? So I want to measure phone calls conversions. That's why I have selected this option. Then I'm gonna click on continue. Then you can see over here recommended conversions categories. So you need to choose one of the categories from here. So I'm gonna be choosing phone call lead. Okay, then you have two options in the phone call lead section. One is calls from website visit, which we are gonna be setting up. Okay, then the last one is calls from ads. So if you want to measure calls from ads, then you can also set up this one. But for the time being, we are gonna be using the first one, which is calls from website visit. So I'll click on setup. Then you have two options: define your event. Someone calls a phone number shown on your website. Someone makes a call by clicking a number on your website. So I'll be setting up the first one. Okay. Then you can see over here, enter the phone number caller should reach when they call from your website. So you need to provide a location over here, the country actually, then the phone number. Okay, so let's go to the website. So you can see over here, this website is based on Central Florida. Okay, so obviously from US. So I'll be choosing the country as US. Then I need to provide the phone number. So for copying the phone number, I can inspect this. Okay, so I can easily copy it from here. So I'm gonna be copying it from here and paste it over here. But make sure you're following the sequence like this. They have given us the example. Okay, so I am using first bracket for the first three digit 407. Then I'm gonna remove this dot and put space. Then 6150092. Okay, perfect. Then I can copy this one and paste it over here. Okay, then I will click on use this event. Okay, and I'll click on save and continue. Phone call lead. Then in this section, we don't have the tag manager option. So for the time being, we'll click on finish, because after finishing this, we'll go to our conversion action. Then we'll get the Google Tag Manager option. Okay, so let's scroll down and go to this option, calls to this phone number. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, then if I scroll down, then I have an option called tag setup. Here we have Google Tag Manager option. So I'm gonna click on it. Then you can see over here, they have given us conversion ID, conversion level, by which we can set up calls from website conversion using Google Tag Manager. Now we need to navigate to the Google Tag Manager, and I'm going to click on new tag, and I will name it as Google Ads website calls conversions. Okay, or you can name it Google Ads calls from website conversion, whatever we want. Then I'm going to be choosing tag configuration as Google Ads calls from website conversion. Okay, then we need to provide displayed phone number to replace. So I had already copied the phone number, so I have just pasted it. Okay, then we need to provide conversion ID and label. So if I go to here, then this is our conversion ID. So I'm gonna copy the conversion ID, and I'll copy the conversion label as well. Okay, and as the triggering, I'm gonna trigger it as all pages. Okay, then I'll click on save, and I'll click on back. Okay, so you can see over here we have created a conversion called Google Ads conversion, Google Ads website call conversions. Okay, so I'm gonna hit submit and click on publish. Okay, so this is how you can set up Google Ads calls from website conversion. Okay, so whenever you will have a conversion using Google Ads to this website, then it will be starting uh, populating, it will start populating the data. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. This is for the updated video, recent video, okay, for the new interface. So hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel and follow our page. And if you want to set up Google Ads conversion tracking, Meta Meta Conversion API, GA4 conversion tracking and reporting, server-side tagging, and if you need Google Ads setup, optimize and monthly basis management, then you can contact us. And additionally, if you need the Meta Ads monthly management setup, then you can contact us. We have provided our WhatsApp number. You can directly call us, mail us, or send us a message. Then we'll have a great collaboration together. Okay, so let's work together. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a great day. Bye bye.